Hey there, thinking about Web3 but keep putting it off? You're not alone, and I'm here to help. Think of Web3 as a journey. You don't need all the answers, just the first step. Start with a wallet, your Web3 passport. It holds your identity and opens doors. Explore dApps, NFTs, and DeFi. They're not just buzzwords, they're how you interact with the decentralized web. This isn't random, it's a path from curious to confident to creator. The Web3 map is interactive. Every icon leads to tools, tutorials, and platforms. Still waiting for the perfect time? Truth is, there isn't one. The best time is now. So go for it. Visit bola.onlana.co.uk. I'll walk you through it. Let's explore Web3 together. Web3 isn't the future, it's the present. And your journey starts now.